Good evening, everybody, and welcome to a briefing on a likely significant severe weather outbreak on Thursday and Friday of this week. So, the Storm Prediction Center has already issued a day 4 enhanced risk of severe weather across much of East Texas, central southern Arkansas, most of Mississippi, western Alabama, and much of Louisiana in the orange, and a slight risk in the yellow. And this includes Little Rock, Greenville, Jackson, Alexandria, Shreveport, Lufkin in the enhanced risk, Jackson, Memphis, Birmingham, Mobile, New Orleans, Houston, Waco, and Dallas in the slight risk. And this has the potential to be a very dangerous, destructive day. And let me show you why. Looking at the GFS model for the 500 millibar wind speeds, these are going to be winds about 3 miles above the surface. We're going to be seeing an extremely powerful jet stream rounding the base of a very potent trough, moving across New Mexico and Texas by 4 o'clock Central Standard Time Thursday. And this is going to be bringing an extreme amount of wind shear across Texas, Oklahoma, Arkansas, and Louisiana by Thursday evening. And the trough is going to be neutrally tilted at this point, and it's only going to get negatively tilted as we go overnight Thursday. And we're going to be seeing insane wind energy across Texas, Oklahoma, Arkansas, going to Mississippi and Tennessee. And then as we go into Friday morning, oh my goodness, we are seeing one of the most pronounced jet streams I've seen since last spring across Arkansas, Louisiana. Very sharply negatively tilted trough. And this is why I think that Thursday could be big trouble across Arkansas, Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, and even Tennessee. Now, looking at the low level jet, the next ingredient for a big severe weather and tornado outbreak. This is once again going to be for 4 o'clock p.m. Central Standard Time Thursday evening. An intensifying low level jet is spreading across East Texas, Louisiana, and Mississippi and Arkansas. And going into the overnight, the low level jet is going to rapidly intensify across Louisiana, Arkansas, and Mississippi. And as we go into Friday morning, we're going to be seeing an extremely widespread and intense low level jet all across the south into the Tennessee Valley. And this is going to continue through the day Friday as it spreads into most of the southeast. So this is looking very concerning for Thursday and Friday. Looking at the instability, we had a little bit lack of instability with yesterday's severe weather event, and look how that performed. We had a big derecho with about 14 tornado reports. On Thursday, instability is not going to be a problem at all. We're going to be having CAPE across all of eastern Texas, anywhere between 1,500 and 2,500 joules per kilogram into Louisiana, into Mississippi, and into southeastern Oklahoma, about 1,000 to 1,500 joules per kilogram of CAPE by 4 o'clock Thursday afternoon. This goes for Arkansas, Mississippi, Alabama as well. And then as we go into the overnight, we're going to continue to see CAPE between 1,000 to 2,000 across East Texas, southern Arkansas, Louisiana, and Mississippi. And then as we go into Friday morning, we still have a narrow band of instability up and down Arkansas and Louisiana, lining up with the crazy strong low-level jet and crazy strong upper-level jet. And then the model might wants to weaken the CAPE as we go into Friday. So if this happens, we might see a little bit of a limiting factor on Friday. But for Thursday night, it's going to be game on for severe weather across central southern Arkansas, Louisiana, East Texas, Mississippi. So make sure you're preparing now for a tornado outbreak if you live in East Texas, Louisiana, Mississippi, and Arkansas on Thursday. And unfortunately, Thursday night is going to be when it's going to be at its worst. So we're looking at a big likely nocturnal tornado outbreak on Thursday. Make sure you're preparing now for this. And looking at the last parameter, the dew points are going to be in the upper 60s to around 70. These are where the dew points we want to these are where the dew points should be if we want a big severe weather outbreak. So once again, our fourth parameter is showing very concerning signs, as we're going to be seeing dew points in Arkansas, Louisiana, Mississippi, and East Texas Thursday evening into Friday in the upper 60s and lower 70s. So make sure you're preparing now for a big tornado outbreak Thursday night and Friday morning if you live across East Texas, central southern Arkansas, much Louisiana, Mississippi, and western Alabama. And then even as we go into Friday, a possible tornado outbreak across the eastern half of Alabama, Georgia, South Carolina, most of North Carolina, and southeastern Tennessee. I'll continue to update you guys on the severe weather threat as the days progress. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and have a wonderful evening, my friends.